Hello, my name is Tarun Agarwal and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you about Bitly, how to use Bitly, how to create your new account in Bitly, and how to use this by creating your own account and creating your own custom links, okay, shorter links. So before that, let me tell you that I am into make money niche for last 5 years. I help people to make money online, and if you're also into online business or if you're looking to make money online, in that case I would suggest you to go to this link dnaclub.in/online tools. Go to this link and enter your name, email id and WhatsApp number, and you will get access to all the online tools. Okay, I have compiled a list of all the online tools which are required to build an online business. So this is going to be super valuable for you. So just go to this link and you can get access to all the online tools which are required to build an online business. Okay, so yeah, so go to this link and let's go with the content of this video, that is about Bitly. Okay, so there is a website called Bitly, and many times as an online entrepreneur, what we have to do, we have to share some links um with our customers or the prospects, which are easy to remember. Okay, easy to remember. So for that, Bitly is one of the most widely used website service which you can use. Go to bitly.com. Okay, and if you don't want to create your account, you can just, what you can do, you can just paste your long link here, like your Google form link or other links, and you can click on shorten. So it is going to shorten your link. Now say for example, I'm giving you an example. Let's say for an example, if I open Google form. Okay, if I open my Google form here, so just giving you a live example about how I use Bitly. Okay, so as an example, I am going to open a Google form which I've already created, and when we share a Google form link, that link is not easy to call. Okay, and it is not easy to remember. Okay, because it consists of some alphanumeric numbers. Okay, alphanumeric text. So suppose if I open this form, okay, this is my Google form, and if I click on send here, and if I click a link, if I create a link of this Google form, so let's see what kind of link it creates. Okay, so if I shorten the link, so it is going to give me this link, and this is not easy to remember link. Now what I can do, I can just copy this. Okay, close, and I can go to bitly.com, and directly what I can do, I can just paste it here and shorten. So this long link will be shortened to this small link, and this link I can share with other people, okay, on social media or through direct messages. Now what if you want to add your own custom text here? Now say for example, I want to add like contact me. Okay, if I want to add text like this, so it is not possible directly from here. For that you have to create your account in Bitly. Okay, so I'm going to sign up and create a new account for you. Okay, so yeah, it is a free service and paid service both. Okay, so what you can do, you can click here, this one, and what we can do right now. Okay, so interested in free plan, we have to click here. Okay, sign up for the free plan. Okay, so let's start with the free plan right now. Username, I'm putting my username here. Okay, enter your email id and then enter your password, and this way just create a new account. Okay, sorry, it is asking for a username like this. I'm entering like this just for a demo purpose. Okay, so this way what I have done is I have created a sign up with a new account. Okay, I've created a new account in Bitly. Okay, so I can click here for personal use. Okay, my first name. Okay, first name and last name I can enter here, and I can say what are you looking to do. um, okay, social media marketing, and then save it. Okay, so this way a new account is created. Okay, and you can go to your email and you can just verify your email. Okay, go to your email and just verify that yes, this is your email. Okay, now this is a new account which I have created. Now what I have to do here is, if I want to create same example, this is my Google form, and if I want to shorten this link, this is the link, my Google form link, and if I go here in my new Bitly account, I will click here on create. Okay, and I will paste my link, my Google form link here, right? Okay, I've not done anything, just paste it here, paste it, and now it is asking me to enter the title. Now suppose if I enter the title here for my internal purpose, that is uh, inquiry. Okay, so for example, Google form inquiry. This is for my internal purpose, and this is the link where I can change it, customize half link. Okay, and this bit.ly will remain the same. Slash, I can say uh, contact DNA, contact DNA. Okay, and then I click on save. So if this particular uh, text is available, okay, then it is going to create this link for me. So if I copy here, this is my custom link now, and now I can share this link with other people using social media. Okay, so this is my custom link where I have created, and now uh, this is an easy to understand, easy to call, like bit.ly slash contact DNA. This is what I can share with other people, and now as person will open this link, it will directly open my Google form. It will automatically redirect to my Google form, right? So it is so easy. Okay, and Bitly also gives us option in this free account. If I refresh it, I can create 1000 links. I think in free plan you can create around 1000 links. And the good thing about Bitly is you can also track the count of clicks you got. Okay, like this is the Google form inquiry. Now I can see I got one click. Okay, one person clicked on this, and how, and also from which location. So if you have multiple you can say multiple links, then you can very easily track, like from which country people are opening the link. Okay, you can also track this kind of statistical data. All right, so just try this. I'm very much sure that you will find it very useful. I have used it for my business Bitly, and you can also use it. It is a free account. You can use a free account. Okay, so let me check if I have. Okay, right, yeah, you can try with a free account like this, and just try this out. And if you have any kind of question related to Bitly, then do post it in the comment section below. Okay, and this kind of statistical data, you can just check it out. Okay, all right, so it is easy to use. Now that's it. Okay, just try Bitly. And also before I close this video, I want you to again remind you about downloading this free tools list. Okay, dnaclub.in/online tools. Go to this website, enter your details, and check out all the online tools which I recommend to build an online business. All right, go to this link and keep checking my emails. I'm going to give you some really good quality value on your emails. Let's stay connected and see you in the next video. Subscribe to the channel and do share this video with other people. Thank you.